Hello students, welcome to English language class. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is Subject and Predicate. I repeat, the name of the chapter is Subject and Predicate. Now let's see what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. It was explained in the previous videos in detail. What is a sentence? Now let's have a recap of this. So, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. A sentence is a group of words arranged in a manner that it makes a complete sense or gives a meaning or a complete sense. Now let's see some examples. Now look at these groups of words. Let's see the first one. The cat on sleeping the sofa is. So if we see here, the cat on sleeping the sofa is. It does not give any sense. And while speaking also, it looks funny. Let's see the second one. I the kept in the fridge butter. Does it make any sense? No. It does not make any sense. We can't understand anything from these two group of words. Now let's see these group of words. If we arrange them in a proper manner, can it give a complete sense? Now let's see here the first sentence. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Here in this sentence we can easily know that the cat is sleeping on the sofa. And if we see here, the cat on sleeping the sofa is. It does not make any sense. If we arrange these words in a correct manner or in correct order, we will get a sentence, the cat is sleeping on the sofa. Now let's see the second one. I kept the butter in the fridge. Here in this sentence we can easily understand that the butter is kept in the fridge. I kept the butter in the fridge. That I kept the butter in the fridge. And when it was unarranged, it didn't give any meaning. Like here, I kept in the fridge butter. It does not give any meaning. If we arrange these words in order, we will get a meaningful sentence, that is, I kept the butter in the fridge. So the above two sentences, we can see that they do not make complete sense, but if we arrange the words correctly, they become meaningful. And at the end, these two sentences, the cat is sleeping on the sofa, it gives a meaningful sentence. I kept the butter in the fridge, it also gives a meaningful sentence. Now let's see what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. And just make a note here, it begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. So a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. It begins with a capital letter and ends with different punctuation marks. That is full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. Hope you understood what is sentence. Now the next part of this chapter will be explained to you in the next video. Thank you.